came from the Dollar Tree. Of course, he's no longer $1. He was actually $5, but I got him at the Dollar Tree. So we're going to position, I'm going to have this towards me as the front, and I'm going to kind of position him a little bit diagonal, just like that. And he is foam, so on his little feet, I'm going to take this bamboo skewer. I'm going to dip it in my glue pot, and we're just going to give him a little bit. And that one just, do I have another one? Yeah, I do. That one just flung across the room, so let's get a different one. Dip it in my glue pot, and we're just going to put that right up in his feet. Okay, let me cut this. Okay, so we're going to kind of position this right down in this foam. Before I push him all the way down in there, I'm going to get some hot glue. Just going to put it all the way around there. And then I'm just going to push this guy right down onto that foam. I'm going to add a little bit more glue under there. And I think I'm going to take a floral pin. So just one of these metal floral pins. You guys can get these at any of the craft stores, even Amazon. And I'm just going to push this down in his feet. Just like that. Let me get one more. I'm going to do the other side. That's just going to give him a little bit extra support on top of that glue. That way, when we ship him, we don't have to worry about him going anywhere. Okay. So let me turn him around so you guys can see. So this is our little buddy. It's kind of facing diagonal. Now he's got a little blue flower. He's got some little pink berries and a little greenery. So we're going to play off those colors of the blue and the pink and the green. Okay.